Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you some hair that I picked up from Amazon. Now this company name should look pretty familiar because I have done a review on their hair before, which I will leave the link up there in the cards. But this is from BQ Hair Company. They originally used to be on AliExpress. Now they are on Amazon. And the best part about this is they have products that are available for Amazon Prime, so I got this within 2 days. So let's pop it open. It says on the back, it says here on the back what I got. So I got the 8A Deep Curly texture in 14, 16, 18 with a 12-inch lace front, or 360 lace frontal. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 14-inch, and this is what it looks like straight out of the bag. Now, it looks kind of short, but all of the length checks are done when the hair is straight. So, since this is curly hair, all you got to do is straighten it out to see the full length. Looking at it, I like how it is pretty thick from the weft to the tips. The hair is super, super soft. It also comes with a certification tag right here that tells you what the hair is and, of course, the company name. Let's see how it smells. No smell, which is really awesome. I wouldn't say, actually, let me take that back. I wouldn't say there's no smell. There's a slightly, like, beauty supply store hair smell, but nothing like too overpowering. Nothing too overpowering. The weft construction looks pretty good. And this is going to be the hair that I'm using when I get my hair redone, so I'm super excited because I have heat damage on my leave-out area up here, so I'm going to do a style that doesn't require heat. So in order to get my natural hair to blend with these extensions, I'm just going to use perm rods. So I'm super excited about this hair. So I'm not going to open each individual bag. I'm just going to open the shortest and the longest length and show you the 360 frontal. Alright, so this is what the 18-inch looks like straight out of the bag. It's got the same texture as the 14-inch, however, I would say it is not as thick. You definitely get a significantly less of a bundle than you do with the 14-inch. The hair is still really soft. Once again, it's got kind of like a beauty supply store hair smell, but it's nothing like too overpowering. It's not making me want to gag. And like I showed you before, it's got the tags that show you what you purchased. So these are this is the 14-inch and this is the 18-inch together. So you can definitely see how this one is a lot more thick than this one is. But the hair consistency, like the texture, looks about the same. They feel about the same. Because you know sometimes you can get bundles that kind of look completely different from one another. That's not the case with this, and I'm excited. I'm also excited to see what happens after I wash it for the first time, and I do plan on coloring this hair, so I will be giving you an update telling you how this hair handles color. Alright, finally we're going to get into the 360 frontal, and it comes with a hairnet, which I like. So this is what the 360 frontal looks like. Of course, it's 360 with the hole in the back, or with the hole in the center, and it's got the two latches there in the back where you can tighten it, right there. The one thing I can say is that this kind of does not look like 4 inches of parting space. Let me just show you. That's how much parting space you get in the front. That is not 4 inches at all. I would say maybe that's 2 inches, maybe 2.5. So that's kind of a bummer. If you are used to getting 360 frontals or just frontals in general, usually you have 4 to 6 inches of parting space. This is the smallest amount of parting space that I've ever had on a wig, and that is super disappointing. So I'm definitely not going to be able to part this really. You know, like a natural hairline that goes a little bit back. And yeah, damn. Let's see how it smells. All right, this smells a little bit like, this doesn't smell like beauty supply store hair. This kind of smells like it came straight off someone's head. And it's kind of got like a smoky, not like cigarette smoke, but it kind of smells smoky. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know. It doesn't smell bad, but it's not a neutral smell either. This lace is a medium brown. The frontal does not come pre-plucked. It does not come bleached. So if you are planning on making a wig using this hair or using these frontals, you are going to have to put in some work to get it customized to your head. The frontal also looks a little bit smaller than 22.5 circumference. I'm used to other frontals being a little bit bigger than this. So I'm not going to be wearing this wig, obviously, because I'm going to go get my hair done. I'm going to be making this wig and then putting it on my Poshmark, but when I do decide to sell it, I'm definitely going to make sure people know that this is not the average size of a 360 frontal. It's definitely smaller.